See if we can zoom in on it. Here we go. Here's a cool looking spider. Really little. Can't really get in on it as I get closer to it. And that's the spider and all the bumblebees. And this beautiful monarch. She's fluttering her wings, waking up. Like, look how beautiful. She just came out of the cocoon not that long ago, a few hours ago. Like, it's amazing. How neat. Look at the fuzziness on her. Like, it looks like hair. She's so fuzzy and so beautiful. Stretching her legs out. Wow. The colors are so vibrant because she just came out of the cocoon. And right now the temperature is about 70. It's supposed to be 75 or something today. And then tomorrow about the same, I think. And then the temperature is supposed to plummet into the 30s, 20s, who knows. I'll let you all know when that day comes. But look at nature. She's just beautiful. How cool. So neat.